Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to buy Amazon return pallets. First, you need to decide which type of pallet you want. Manifested pallets, these come with a list of items, their categories and estimated values. Risk is lower and ROI averages from 40 to 60%, ideal for beginners. You don't know what's inside. Buy unmanifested pallets, which is much riskier, but ROI can go up to 120% if you got lucky, best for experienced and adventurous buyers. So, not all liquidation platforms are equal. Some requires a business license, others accept individuals. You can compare platforms not only by bid price but also by fees and shipping costs, as these affect profit margins. Before buying, get your basics ready like resale certificate to avoid paying sale tax, and business registration and bank account, which keeps finances separate, simplifies taxes and builds credibility. Don't bid emotionally, use calculations, take the pallet's retail value and multiple by 0.45, which is the average resale rate. Subtract shipping from $150 to $300 unsubscribed processing costs like time, repairs and packaging. Also, subscribe platform fees, which goes from 2 to 5%, and the result is your maximum bid. Now, hidden costs eat profits fast. Keep in mind each pallet has 500 to 800 lbs, which needs large storage. Extra delivery fees from $75 to $150 inside delivery, and serious sellers rent storage units for predictable costs and smoother processing. Once pallets arrive, inspect each item's condition. Rebox or repair slightly damaged goods and bundle low-value items into multi-packs to sell faster. Now, choose sales channel wisely like Amazon or eBay, which is great for branded goods, and local marketplaces like Facebook, Craigslist or flea markets, good for bulk and lower value items, and wholesale bundles you can sell to other resellers for quick turnover. With this right strategy, Amazon return pallets can turn into a steady income stream. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.